Looking for an unforgettable culinary adventure in Hanoi? Welcome to the authentic Vietnamese cooking class by Dine With Locals. This fully hands-on class is the perfect way to dive deep into Hanoi's food culture. The class starts with a visit to a vibrant local market to pick up the freshest herbs and ingredients for the day. After that, we will step inside a beautiful villa to begin your culinary experience. Under the guidance of our professional chefs, you will dive right into the cooking process. From practicing proper knife skills to learning traditional preparation methods, you will master the art of balancing sweet, savory, and aromatic flavors. Throughout the session, you will craft a complete 4-course Vietnamese meal. There are many options you can choose from, ranging from a refreshing papaya salad to a popular appetizer like Bánh Xèo or spring rolls, and then a hearty main dish such as savory Bún Chả. We will round it all off by making one of Vietnam's signature coffees, and we happily adapt the entire menu for vegetarian and vegan diets. Throughout the class, your chef will be right there to share the unique history and cultural stories behind every dish on your menu. Once the cooking is done, we will gather to enjoy the meal you just prepared alongside a special tasting of our rich, homemade local wine.
1, 2, 3.
After the meal, we will share all our digital recipes with you. That way, whenever you miss Vietnam, you can easily whip up these amazing dishes for your friends and family. Ready to learn about Vietnamese culinary culture? Book your spot with Dine With Locals today!